Namaste children, welcome back to today's social studies offline class. Hope all are safe and healthy by the grace of God. Yes? Okay. So, in the last class, we have learned about some of the information about our Earth, right? So, there you learned about our Earth's position in the solar system, and we have also learned why the Earth is called as blue planet and ocean planet, and how the Earth is divided into two parts as water bodies and land mass. Okay, and you have also learned about the two movements of the Earth, like rotation and revolution, right? Yes. So in today's class, I would like to start with your second lesson, that is how our Earth looks. Okay. So in this lesson, you are mainly going to learn about what is meant by globe, what is meant by map, what are the different types of maps, what is meant by atlas, and what are the names of seven continents and the oceans. And also you are going to learn about what is meant by compass and its usage. Let me explain it one by one now. Okay. So as we all know that Earth is our home planet, right? It comprises of many of the things like living things as well as non-living things. Living things refers to the things which are subjected to grow, right? Example for living things are plants, animals and human beings. Whereas non-living things refers to the things which are not subjected to grow, right? Yes. Example for non-living things are mountains, buildings, furniture, etc. Right, Matilda? So it means that our earth comprises of both living things as well as non-living things. It is a home to both non-living and non-living things, right? Yes. Can you tell me, is it possible for us to see the entire earth, children? No, it is not at all possible, right? Because our earth is round in shape and it is bigger in size. It is like a huge ball, right? So if you want to study about our earth, we have two ways to study. Okay. So which are those two ways? One is with the help of the globe and another one is with the help of the map. Okay. Let me start with the globe first. Yes. The first one is globe. What is meant by globe, children? Globe is a model of the earth. Okay, or it is a true miniature of the earth. Means this globe represents the earth on a smaller scale, we can say. Okay, have you seen globe, children? Okay, I will show you now. So this is the globe. Okay, yes. So this is on this globe we can see the entire earth on a smaller scale, right? Yes. Then what is the use of this globe? We use this globe to locate the continents, okay, oceans and other water bodies and states on a smaller scale, right? What is the use of globe? We use this globe to locate the continents, oceans and other water bodies on this globe, right? Yes. Here, this globe contains two endpoints. Okay, they are North Pole and the South Pole, right? So, as I told you, this earth, globe is a model of the Earth, right? So, you have already learned about the rotation of Earth, right? So, the rotation of the Earth means the Earth spins on its own axis, right, my children? Yes. So, this globe also has an imaginary line called as an axis on which it rotates, right? Yes. See, if you want to study the earth, okay, with the help of this globe, it is not possible to see the earth at one time because as it is round in shape, it is not possible to study the earth at a time, right? So if you hold the globe like this, only we can see the half part of the globe, right? If you want to see the other part of the globe, what we need to do? We need to rotate this like this. Yes, then only it is possible for us to see the other part of the earth, right? And on this globe many color combinations are used, children. Hope you can see the color combinations here, right? So here blue color is there, yellow is there, pink is there, green is there. So like this different colors are used to indicate different things. Okay, for example, blue color on this globe indicates the presence of water bodies. Okay, and the brown color represents the land mass. Okay, and yellow color represents the presence of agricultural fields, like this. So different colors represent different things. Okay, yes. And there are some disadvantages also, children, about this globe. Okay, see here, this globe will not give us the detailed information, because here on this globe we cannot get the get proper information about the particular place. Only just to locate the places we can use this globe, right? And even we cannot carry this globe everywhere, as it is round in shape. We cannot carry this globe everywhere. Okay, so this is all about the globe. What you learned here, this globe, it is a model of the earth, and we use this globe to locate the continents, oceans, and other places, right? Yes. Next I move on to maps. Yes. See, as I told you now, globe is a model of the earth, whereas a map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Right now, children, you want to see the map? 1 minute, I will show you. Yes. See, this is the map. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so this is the map. So maps are drawn on a flat surface like this. Okay. Yes. Here we have a book of maps called as Atlas. What is meant by Atlas? Yes, Atlas refers to a book of maps. Okay, hope you can see this. This is an atlas. Okay, and this book contains various types of maps. Hope you can see this. Yes. Okay. Yes. So here maps refers to the drawing of the earth on a flat surface, right? And these maps are of various sizes. Okay, some of the maps are very big and some of the maps are very small, like that. So some of the maps which are used especially for display purpose, okay, they are called as wall maps. What is meant by wall maps? The maps which are used mainly for display purpose, okay, they are called as wall maps, and we use that maps for hanging purpose also, right? Yes. And even we have one more map, okay, where the surface of the entire earth is drawn. Okay, that map is called as world map. Yes. What is meant by world map? A map where the entire surface of the earth is drawn is called as a world map. Okay, hope you are getting my point, children. See here, globe is a model of the earth, whereas map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface, right? Yes. We have a book of map called as Atlas, where we can find all types of maps in it, right? Yes, means we can get all type of maps in that Atlas itself, right? Yes. So there are some maps which are used mainly for display purpose. They are called as wall maps. Okay, and there is one more map called as world map, where the entire surface of the earth is drawn. Okay, that is called as world map. Right, children? Yes. Let me move on to the types of maps. See, we have 3 different types of maps. Okay, so how many types of maps we are having? We are having 3 types of maps. First one is physical map. Second one is political map. And third one is thematic map. So we have 3 types of maps called as physical map, political map, and thematic map. Then what is meant by physical map? Physical map is a map which shows the location of the physical features of that particular country. Okay, what is meant by physical map? A physical map is a map which shows the location of the physical features. Okay, that type of map is called as a physical map. Next, what is meant by political map? Political map is a map which shows the location of particular country, state or capital cities. Right? Yes. Next, last one is thematic map. What is meant by thematic map? Thematic map is a map which shows the particular things like information about crops, what type of crops are grown in which place, like that. Okay, and also it also provides information about population, about rainfall, about railway network. Okay, and also about some other information. Okay, that type of maps are called as thematic maps. Hope this is clear, children. See, here we have three types of maps called as physical map, political map and thematic map. Physical map is a map which gives us information about the physical features of a country. Political map is a map which shows the location of a particular state, country or capital cities, like that. And thematic map is a map which provides information about a particular thing or topic, we can say. Okay, like crops, what type of crops are grown in particular place, and which river flows in which state, like this. Okay, so this type of information is given by the thematic map. Okay, so this is all about the types of maps. So in today's class, what you learned about what is meant by globe and what is meant by map, and what are the different types of maps. Okay, let me conclude. So globe is a model of the earth. Okay, and we use this globe to locate the continents, oceans and other places on the earth. Okay, and it is a true miniature of the earth, we can say, and it is round in shape and it has different color combinations on it, right? Yes, whereas a map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface, right? A book of maps is called as an atlas, which contains maps of all types, we can say, right? And there are some of the maps which are used mainly for displaying purpose. That type of maps are called as wall maps. And another one important map where the entire surface of the earth is drawn, that type of map is called as world political map. Okay, or world map, we can say, right? Yes, maps are of three types. One is physical map, another one is political map, and the last one is thematic map. So this is enough for today's class today. Remaining I will discuss it in the next class. Hope you understood today's class, right? Yes, stay home, stay safe. Dhanyawad.